Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to play split screen on your PlayStation 5 Pro using two different controllers. And some of the more popular split screen games are Minecraft, Call of Duty, Rocket League, or Fortnite. So this is actually really easy to do. I'm going to go to Minecraft. And some of the games are a little bit different. In Minecraft, you have to be in the game like this to add your second controller. So I'm going to go to Player 2 right now and turn on my controller. And then I have to choose a profile. Now, some of the games will allow you to play as a one-time guest, and others you have to actually have an online account. So only one account needs PlayStation Plus, and just make sure you're activating your console as primary, so you share PlayStation Plus in all your games to all your other accounts. Very easy to do. I'm going to choose Hey PlayStation here, but if you don't have another account, just go to here, and this is only for Minecraft. You can sign it as a one-time guest, and boom, you're in. If we go to add user right here, get started, we're going to have to create another account if we're going to be playing online. So you just need an email address and password. You don't need a credit card or anything like that. Create an account, and then you should be able to jump in. So that's what I did with this one. Doesn't take very long. Just go through the process, and then I can choose this person. Now, you're going to want to press the option button to join. Boom, they're in. It says to play split screen multiplayer online, you need to sign in. So I forgot my password at some point in time, so I'm not able to do that. So you gotta have that. Now we can just press options to hold it down. So it's saying I have to sign in, and I don't know my password. So just remember you got that. Now you can do this for Call of Duty too, and it's gonna be very similar. So let's go over to home. Here's Call of Duty. We're gonna load this up. And once again, you're going to need that password, so I won't be able to play online until I re-log in. So in Call of Duty and Rocket League and Fortnite, I believe we just have to get to the character selection screen. And once we're at that screen, we can just turn on our second controller. You can see it's already connected. And in the top right, it's going to say like press X to join or press option. So right here it says press X to join split screen. So I'm going to press X to join. And boom, you must be signed in once again. So you're also going to need an Activision account if it's your first time doing it. So you're going to have to create an Activision account. I believe it might be the same for Fortnite. You'll have to create an account for that. But you can see the option right here. Once you do that, you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.